Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. Myself, I'm Venkat Kumar. So I had 9+ years of experience in a Salesforce industry. So, and coming to my projects, I deal with insurance projects, e-commerce projects, and also I deal with the banking projects. Okay, these are the different types of projects I had been dealt. And apart from these, like I also deal with freelancing projects and also with different clients like USA, Canada, and also like Finland. Presently, I'm dealing with Finland project, which is an insurance project. Okay, so I've been managing both the trainings as well as this my project. So everything what I'm teaching in the coming classes is a real-time oriented training. Okay, this is about myself. Yeah, everyone, can you please introduce about yourself? Yashashwini, Maheshwari, Harshala, Roshan. Anyone, can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, I'm Yashaswini. I'm an
Yes.
Angular developer with 2.5 years of experience.
Okay, okay,
So,
fine.
yeah. Mm.
Okay, yeah, okay, fine. Okay, thank you for attending session. It's a morning session. Okay, can like we can wait for 2 minutes. The people also will be joined. Okay, in between. So please interact. Maheshwari, can you please interact?
Yeah, hi
Hello.
Venkat, good morning. This is Maheshwari. Hello.
Good morning. Yes, yes. Good morning, Maheshwari. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm currently working as a Pega developer in Cognizant with an experience of close to 3 years.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. Good, good. Yes, Harshala, can you please introduce yourself? RK, Hemant, Manju, can you please introduce yourself? Okay. Okay, let me start the session. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Sayali. Good morning. Is my screen is visible to everyone? Is my screen is visible to everyone? Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
first of
yes.
all, okay. Yeah, yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, first of all, I want to give small introduction about the Salesforce. Okay, before going to the deep dive into the Salesforce, first of all, I want to tell you something. Okay. Anyone know the difference between on-premise applications? Okay, I'll tell you. We will ask you one question. Please make this class as an interactive. Okay, then everyone will able to understand and they will ask you doubts also, whatever it may be. Anyone know the difference between the on-premise applications and on-demand applications? On-premise applications and on-demand applications. Anyone founded the difference in between the on-premise applications and on-demand applications? Is my voice is clear to everyone? Hello?
Yes, yes. Your voice is clear.
Yeah. Anyone know the difference between the on-premise and on-demand applications? Okay, let me try to tell you. Okay, Java, PHP, and .NET. These are nothing but on-premise applications. Okay, you need to install and you need to use it. Okay, you need to install and you need to use in your in your laptop, whatever it may be. Okay, but coming to on-demand applications. On-demand applications are nothing but AWS, Salesforce, and GCP. These are all the nothing but on-demand applications. You don't need to install. You don't need to install it. Just if you have a browser and internet connection. Just if you have a browser and internet connection. browser and internet connection, and we can browser and as well as internet connection. Just you can able to work on this. You can able to work on this. That is the difference between the on-premise applications as well as on-demand applications. Okay, everyone able to find the difference? I think anyone worked on Java, PHP.NET from our class? Hello.
No.
Okay, no issues, no issues, no issues. Okay, so first of all, let me try to give an information about Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce. Let me try to give information about Salesforce. Anyone know about CRM, full form of CRM? Please try to
Customer
interact.
management. Customer relationship management.
Yes, customer relationship management. Yes, Salesforce is a customer relationship management. Okay, Salesforce is a cloud technology, so it is one type of CRM, world's #1 CRM. I want to convey. Okay, Salesforce is a cloud technology. It's a world's #1 CRM, world's #1 CRM. Okay, and we keep both customers and clients together in one umbrella. We keep both customers and clients in one umbrella. Salesforce has been introduced in 1999. Okay, with the 3 employees, I think so. With 3 employees, now it has been simultaneously grows to 73,000 plus employees. 73,000 plus employees. Even according to the market share of present days, okay, Salesforce has the highest market share. Okay, there is no competitor. There is no competitor for Salesforce. Okay, so highest market share for the Salesforce. And apart from this, Salesforce has a 150,000 plus partners. Okay, 150,000 plus partners. Yeah, from MNC to product-based company. Even in every company from MNC to product-based company, each and every company is using Salesforce nowadays. Okay, every company from MNC to every company from MNC to like a product-based company. Startup companies also they are preferring Salesforce. Product-based companies, startup companies, every companies are using Salesforce. Why they are using Salesforce? Any reason? Anyone knows? Every company, even you can see that mostly nowadays you can observe that every vacancy is mostly which is on Salesforce. Every company, you observed or not? Anyone observed? You can observe in the Naukri, Indeed, LinkedIn. So mostly each and every vacancy is in Salesforce. Why? Why the companies are making acquisition for Salesforce? Why? Any reason? Anyone knows? Hello.
It is cost effective and also we'll be able to get the license for the application development very easily.
Yes, it's
From
correct.
that
It's
reason.
correct. Yes, it's correct. And any other things from any other? Okay, no issues. I'll tell you. For example, if you develop the application in Java, okay, you need to have a backend, okay, using Java. So one developer they need to recruit, and also for front end, okay, they need to recruit React JS, Angular JS, anything, okay. And again for database, they need to spend some money. Okay, either database they need to take an Oracle database or any other database. Okay, Oracle or any other database, they need to spend some money. And again for cloud, they need to spend some money. Okay, for like AWS, okay, or something. Okay, Azure, like that, they need to spend some money on cloud also. Okay, for example, they need to recruit for Java, they need to buy the licenses for the software. It may cost around 10 lakhs. I hope so. Just estimation. Okay, again for front end, you need to the client needs to take the licenses. I mean the license in terms like a softwares. Okay, because whenever they're developing the application, they need to buy that particular software, whatever it may cost around 6 to 7 lakhs estimation. Okay, and again they need to buy database, because to store each and every information of the company, they need to buy the database. Okay, it may cost around 15 lakhs estimate. Okay, again they need to buy the cloud. Okay, again they need to buy the cloud. It may cost around 10 lakhs. Okay, so these are all the different things are used to be play a major role. Okay, for example, if that particular client is using Salesforce only. Okay, these are all the different things are used to take a major role. For example, if the company is using Salesforce only, just imagine if the company is using Salesforce only. The same company is using Salesforce only. Same company is using Salesforce. Okay, no need of database. Everything will be handled by the Salesforce. Okay, and coming to front end. Okay, it's nothing but LWC. Okay, and back end. It's nothing but Apex programming. Okay, no need of cloud. Everything will be handled by cloud is handled by cloud information will be handled by Salesforce. Will be handled by the Salesforce. Definitely client will prefer this one only because less cost. And also another thing is like no need to buy any licenses. I mean that no need to buy any softwares. Okay, so if you have a browser and internet connection, you can develop anything easily. Okay, any configuration easily, whatever it may be. Okay, so these are the some type of advantages. So definitely, so the revenue will be increased. Okay, like whatever the client is used to be sending. For example, here 20 lakhs is used to be reduced for the client. It is a benefit for the client definitely because no need to spend money for the database and no need to spend money for the cloud also. Okay, and even for front and back end also, like the person developer can handle all these particular activities. Okay, so these are some of the advantages are been there in this Salesforce, whatever it may be. These are some of the advantages by using Salesforce. That's why each and every company, okay, so are using Salesforce nowadays. Okay, from for example, if you are opening any startup, they are preferring the first preference they are taking is Salesforce. Okay, because the less cost. Okay, and even for example, if any upgrades has been got, no need to do any upgrades. Okay, everything are being handled by the Salesforce team. Okay, everything will be handled by the Salesforce team. Okay, they need to pay as like a monthly basis rented to the Salesforce. Okay, so coming to here, at a time, one-time investment client needs to be spent, like 1,50,000 or a 5 lakh, 6 lakhs for recording softwares. Here, no need of spending any money to the softwares. They need to pay monthly basis. Okay, so whatever they use the monthly, on that particular basis, they need to use. They need to spend money to the Salesforce, whatever it may be. So it is also reduced some burden to the client. Okay, these are the extra advantages are there. That's why each and every company. Okay, every company is using Salesforce. Okay, let us see. Okay, something everyone able to understand about Salesforce. Let us see some information about Salesforce. Everyone able to see this chart according to the 2022 statistics. Everyone able to listen my voice.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes,
Okay, according to the 2022 statistics, okay, so 22 percentage market share has been occupied by Salesforce and coming to other CRMs, okay, very less as comparing to 2022 statistics, okay. And another thing is it has the fast deployments, okay, ability to work from anywhere, and we can work from anywhere, anything, anywhere, any maybe, okay. You don't need to be use any softwares, whatever it may be. And for example, if a same project is used to be run in sales, for example, if the project is used to be developed in other technology, Java, .NET, whatever it may be, it may take 5 or 6 years. Okay, same project is used to be developed in, definitely I'll give you challenge. Same project is developed in 2 to 3 years. Definitely, the time span is reduced because everything. Okay, here, for example, if you take a Java .NET, okay, everything you need to develop a coding architecture, but here you don't need to develop any coding. Okay, 50% of coding and 50% of configuration. Okay, like you can easily equip the things and you can easily develop the things. Okay, yeah, these are some of the advantages of Salesforce. Okay, let me try to give you a clear picture. And according to the from 4 employees, now it has been extended to 73,000 plus employees, whatever it may be. And according to the marketing statistics also, like it is used to initiate 31.8 billion. Okay, it is used to increase to 50 billion. Okay, market shares according to the 2026 statistics. And another thing is definitely, so 14 million jobs are need to be created by 2026. Roughly 9.3 million jobs will be created. Okay, I think you observed or not. Even in COVID days also. I think you observed or not. Even in COVID days also. Even in not COVID, even in recession period. Recession period. So many jobs in Salesforce. Even in COVID days, there are so much with huge packages. In COVID days. COVID days, in every sector there is a high vacancies, but especially in Salesforce, there is huge vacancies and huge packages. Now also presently the same market is there and huge packages. Don't miss the chance. Presently there are huge vacancies and huge packages for Salesforce. Okay, so kindly please utilize it. Okay, kindly please utilize it. Kindly please utilize it. And you'll get some doubt. Okay, sir, I'm from different background. Okay, sir, I'm from like a non-IT background. I'm from IT background. You are from any background, not an issue. Okay, you are from any background, not an issue. You can come to Salesforce and you can easily survive it. Okay, you are from any background, whatever it may be. You are from any background. Okay, you are from any background. Okay, you are from any background, either non-IT background, either IT background, any background, not an issue. I will help you definitely. Okay. So to get a job in Salesforce, we will help you definitely. Okay. So every day, okay, after completion of the class, we'll provide the notes to you. Okay, we'll provide the notes to you. We'll provide the notes. What are the things which I'm teaching in the class? Everything I'll provide you the notes. Okay, and also we'll provide the recordings to each and every sessions. Okay, after completion of the recording, and also we'll provide the interview questions. Okay, and also apart from this, okay, I'll provide some sample resumes. After completion of all our classes, I'll provide some sample resumes. Okay, you can modify it based on your recordings. Okay, for example, you are working in insurance project. Okay, so in different technology, you are working in insurance project. You can easily convert. I'll guide you. Okay, you can easily convert that particular project into Salesforce. Okay, into Salesforce, and you can convey in front of the interviewer. Okay, you can convey that particular information. You can convey that particular information in front of the interviewer. For example, you are not dealing with any project. Even you can handle it. I will help you. I will help you. Okay, what you need to be discussed in front of the interviewer. Okay, what are the things you need to equip in front of the interviewer? Everything I'll give you a brief agenda. Okay. Yes. Anyone have any doubts? We discussed something. Anyone have any doubts?
Venkat,
Sir,
will
any
What
we,
about the
Yes, yes. Please pick one by one.
yeah, will we be able to do some projects at the end of the training?
Of course. Yes, yes, of course. Now I'll start. I'll start. Just normally I've given some introduction. Okay, what are
Okay.
the projects we're going to cover? I'll give you idea. Okay. Yes, yes. Everything is a project oriented training. Okay, not just like a theoretical training. Everything is a practical project oriented training. Okay. What are the things which I'm teaching? Everything is a practical project oriented training. Okay, I'll tell you which project I use it to cover everything. I'll tell you. Okay. Please wait for some time. Okay. Any other people, any doubts on the Salesforce, whatever it may be, we discussed it till now?
sir? Any help related to the certification?
Of course, like we'll provide some terms. Okay. Okay. What are the things which we are teaching in the class? Definitely it will be sufficient for you. Okay. So you read. Okay, some extra dumps, whatever it may be, to prepare for the certification. I'll provide some dumps to you. Okay, it will include some MCQ questions. Okay, you can study with it. Okay, apart from that, I also provide the notes. Okay, in that particular notes also everything will be provided. You can easily crack the certification. Okay. Yes. Any other doubts?
Okay.
Hi. Certificate will be coming under the name of Harsha Education or some any other name like.
Yes. Coming to certification, there are okay. What are the training you completed? Okay. What are the trainings you completed? Okay, you will get some certification from Harsha Training. You'll get a training completion certification.
Okay.
Okay, yes. And another thing is, for example, Salesforce was also providing some certifications like admin, PD1, whatever it may be. You need to, okay, for example, if you are there in the company, company will give you a voucher, okay, and you need to do that particular certifications, okay, Salesforce admin. Okay, it's a separate certification. If you are interested, means you can read Salesforce developer.
So for this, we need to pay any extra amount or the same amount?
Yes, you need to pay extra money to the Salesforce, not any, like there is some criterion logs are there, okay, which has been given by the Salesforce industry, okay. If you, like for example, if you are working in any company, company will provide you the voucher, okay. For example, if you are not working in any of the company, you need to write separately, okay. I'll guide you in future, okay. So yes,
So how
mostly
much it
company
will,
will provide. Hmm?
how much it may be cost?
I think it may cost around 17,000 plus, I hope so. Okay.
Okay.
Don't need to do like whenever you are working in a company, whatever it may be, company will provide you voucher, free vouchers. Okay, after joining your company. Okay, so for example, your like whatever the training you completed, for example, whatever the training you completed, you are very completely okay. Just imagine very completely okay. Just whatever the trainings you completed, you are completely okay. You can answer any of the question. Okay, you can answer any of the question. Just imagine. Okay, so only just this particular certification will take a piece of paper I want to convey. Okay, whatever the certification are provided by Salesforce. Okay, after joining the company, company will provide you a watches, then you can write the exam. Okay, like only interview test your skills, whatever it may be, like you are perfecting. You got the point, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. For example, you are perfect in each and everything, whatever I teach you, definitely it will be okay. Okay. Even experienced people also cannot able to handle all these particular activities. Definitely, I'll give you guarantee. Okay. Okay. So what are the things which we'll cover? Okay. Everything. Okay. So for example, okay, this is my freelancing project which I had been included in my things, whatever it may be. Okay. So for example, one consultancy has been approached me. Okay. So this is the consultancy which I have been approached. In America, there are different types of consultancies are there. Okay, in America, American recruitment consultancy. Everyone able to see it?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, just imagine like American recruitment consultancies are not been, they are using old CRM, old services, whatever it may be, they are not been interested because they are not able to capture the high revenue, and also it's not a proper manner, so that they approached regarding Salesforce. American recruitment consultancy has been approached for Salesforce. Or any of the consultants. It's an educational consultancy. Okay, educational consultancy. They had been approached on Salesforce. Educational consultancy, whatever it may be. Okay, they want to recruit to the candidates and they want to supply that particular candidates to the different companies. Okay, this is the project which we are going to deal. Okay, recruitment educational consultancy. So what are the common things are presented? So whenever you are going to the company, what are the common things are presented? Recruitment agencies. Anyone? No issues, please tell me. Like in every recruitment consultancies, we have a hiring managers because they use it to recruit, they use it to call to you, and they use it to call to you, and they use it to tell that are you interested, and they will conduct one interview with that appropriate technical member. Is it correct? Hello. Is it correct what I'm saying? Hello, once please unmute your mic. Okay. So and also we have a different types of positions. Okay. Like in every organization, we have a different types of positions. Okay. So that particular recruitment consultancy is used to post their particular positions. Okay. Either C sharp. Okay. Either Salesforce admin, Salesforce developer, whatever it may be, they use it to post their positions regularly in the position information. Okay. And also, like we have a different types of candidates. Okay. Like each and every candidates are used to register regularly, whatever it may be in the company. Okay. So we have a candidates and also every company. Okay. Every candidate is used to, for example, if any people are interested, immediately they use it to register for the account and their contact details. Okay. They use it to register some contact details. Okay. And for example, like, uh, and you got the point or not, whenever if any consultancy has been released some positions, you'll verify the job reviews. Okay, the reviews are good or not. Whether the reviews are good, if it's not good means like we will not apply to the positions, we'll verify the job reviews. Okay, and also in future I'll explain each and everything one by one. Okay, like that particular candidates that been came from the different types of locations. Okay, we use it to fill that customer demographics, like customer location information. Okay, and also in recruitment consultancy, there we have a different types of employees. Okay, we are used to store about employees information. Okay, okay, in future. Okay, like I'll discuss each and everything like a project thing. Okay, just normally I'm giving some small idea. Okay, everyone able to understand what I'm saying, what I'm conveying? Hello.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. And one more thing, just I have a doubt. Like there is a C sharp and Java is there, right? So, as it seems like a Salesforce developer also having some coding, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
Will that be equals to this C sharp and Java?
I'll tell you one thing. Okay, previously I also told you. Okay, coming to C sharp, it's a full of coding.
Hmm.
Okay, even if you want to write a single configuration. Okay, and you need to try for database. Okay, and you need to do the AWS cloud, everything is there. Previously only I given some example. Okay, coming to Salesforce. Okay, 50% of coding and 50% of configuration, and no need of any cloud, anything. Okay, I told you previously also. Okay, and for example, if the same configuration needs to be developed in C sharp, it may take 5 to 6 years. The same configuration needs to be developed in 2 to 3 years, because it's a faster deployments and everything is in a faster manner, because everything is an easy way. Okay, okay, this is a full of coding, even to single line also. Here no need of full of coding. You can observe everything is very easy in Salesforce. Even in future you can easily identify it. Okay, just normally I given some example. Okay,
Even same Java also is like that only, right?
Java is also full of coding. Okay, full of coding, because okay, presently 9 years I'm working in Salesforce. 9 years of working in Salesforce. Previously 3 years. Okay, previous 3 years. Okay, I worked in Java. Total I have 11 years of experience. 12 years of experience. Last 3 years I worked in Java, then I migrated to Salesforce. Okay, because I feel Java is very tough. Okay, because everything, even a single line we need to code. Okay, even in a single line we need to code. Okay, it's very somewhat I feel difficult, but I came to Salesforce. I feel good. Okay, I observed so many differences. Okay,
One
yes,
small doubt. I mean,
yes, of
these
course.
days, especially during recession times, they've been telling there's a lot of openings in Java, right? Uh, do you agree there is more demand for Java rather than Salesforce, or
Mm,
Salesforce has?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, I will not limit it with anyone. Okay, I'll not. I mean that I will not like whatever it may be any other technology. But coming to Salesforce, because I worked as a Java developer and also I worked as a Salesforce developer. Okay, I know the differences in between the Salesforce and Java. I feel according to my interest. I feel okay. I feel even I feel Salesforce is good. Why Salesforce is good? I'll tell you. Okay. For example, if you want to work, okay, if you want to work the same concept in Java, definitely it may take 4 to 5 hours if you are a good developer. Okay, sometimes 9 hours also completely. Sometimes you need to work on overnight also. Okay, the same concept. Okay, same concept. It maybe you need to 1 to 2 hours definitely. Okay, no need to work off overtime. Okay, no need to work off overtime. Okay, you remembered or not? Frankly saying that. Okay, from my 9 years of careers, I did not work on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, because everything has been worked in time. Okay, morning 9 to 6. Sometimes you'll get more time also. Okay, so everything will be handled easily in that appropriate time. The same thing need to be developed in a more time, more time. Like that's why each and every company have been preferring Java, like a Salesforce, not Java, because there are so many extra advantages. For example, if you are a Java developer, again you need to learn database. Okay, like you need to migrate each and every situation, and you need to develop the front end, like Angular, React, JS, whatever it may be. There are, I feel somewhat fluctuating. That's why I feel Salesforce is good according my persistence. Okay, because
Yeah,
I
actually,
had been handled both. Yeah.
yeah, actually in Java there are many of Java openings out there, so every persons are going into the Java only. But the opportunities are very less, and we have to be sit in a bench in the companies. So if
Uh,
we have another, this is also I feel this is also one of the plus point where to be switching into Salesforce.
why you are feeling like that, I don't know. Why you are feeling like that, I don't know. Presently, there are huge openings in Salesforce.
Yeah,
Okay,
if you
I
Salesforce,
don't
if
know
you
how. I don't know why
yeah,
you are thinking like that, but there are huge openings, and also there are so many things in Salesforce. I think it's not good because even I think present nowadays COVID. No, no, no. I feel it's not. It's completely wrong. Salesforce is a huge demand. Okay, because whatever it may be, I will not
I'm
compare with
saying
any other technology. I will
Salesforce
not.
having a switching into
Uh,
Salesforce is a good idea. That's what I'm saying.
okay. You are saying like that. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Every
it was
person is
actually
going to Java. That's what people, everybody, there are so many people are there sitting into the company and then just
Yes.
upgrade into the
Okay.
Angular, otherwise React, otherwise a full
Yes,
stack,
yes, yes.
like that. So if we go
Okay,
into
okay.
this, we can be
Yeah, yes,
stick.
yes. Sorry
We're
for
not
the inconvenience.
switching
I thought
to
reverse.
yeah,
I
yeah.
thought by using Salesforce, you're saying like that. I thought, but according to the requirement, whatever you told is absolutely correct. Yeah, Salesforce is used to play a major role. Yeah, in every company, because whenever you are going to Salesforce, definitely there is a project in Salesforce. Yeah, definitely you're absolutely correct. Yeah, who is the person has been told this?
Myself, Lavanya.
Yes, Lavanya, it's correct. I can agree. Yes, Lavanya. You are working in Angular?
I've been into Java developer and then later on I seen there are so many opportunities in Java, but still if we don't
Yeah.
have any knowledge like React and Angular, again every time we have to be upgrade
Yes,
ourselves.
it's
So
correct. It's absolutely correct. It's absolutely correct. Yes, I faced it the same. I faced it the same. And also another thing is you need to work overtime. You worked it because as a senior developer you do. Definitely you need to work overtime for Java. Definitely 99 percentage. 99 percentage. I faced it. For my intention, I faced it. Yeah. But I did
that's
not
what I.
face it in Salesforce. Yeah, yes. Okay, and another thing. Okay, what we are going to cover in coming classes. Okay, first of all, I use it to teach the Salesforce admin. Okay, after completion of the Salesforce admin, I use it to teach the Salesforce development. Anyone know about Apex programming? Anyone listen? Apex. Okay, Salesforce development can be done by using Apex programming. Okay, another thing is a Salesforce LWC. It's a front end UI. And also, I want to discuss about Salesforce integration. Okay, these are all the things which we are going to cover in the coming classes. First of all, let me try to convey about a Salesforce admin. Okay, so everything is a project-oriented training, I'll told you. Okay, so first of all, okay, some basics. I'll discuss about some basics of Salesforce. because whenever you are switching to any other technology, you need to know some basics. Without knowing some basics, some theoretical things are there. Okay, so first of all, you need to know some theoretical things. Okay, after completion of the theoretical things, okay, let's see some of the standard objects in Salesforce. Okay, and okay, I told you we are dealing with American recruitment consultancy. How to create this application? Okay, how to create an objects? How to create a fields? Okay, how to create a page layouts? How to create a record types? Everything. How to create a compact layout? Okay, these are the things which we are covering the basics. Okay, these are all the things which we are covering the basics. And also everyone need to log into the Salesforce. Okay, just I'm opening. I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll guide you how to log into the Salesforce. Okay, how to do each and everything activities tomorrow. I'll guide you. Okay, this is the like username and password which I'm giving. I created one application. So for my present classes, I'm created DGH recruitment application. Okay, for your team, I'll create American recruitment consultancies application. Okay, I created a DGH recruitment application. Okay, this is a DGH team has been approached me to create an application. Okay, these are all the things which we have been created. For example, if you open hiring manager, just you can click on new. See, you're able to see the different types of fields, information, whatever it may be. Everyone able to see? Okay, in coming classes, I'll help you each and everything to design an application like this. Okay, to design an application like this, everyone I'll help you. Okay, okay, and also I want to discuss about the relationships. Okay, so we are connecting. Okay, we are connecting one object to another object. We are connecting one object to another object. How we need to deal. Okay, and also we are dealing with, okay, for example, if you open any, just imagine, okay, for example, if you are open any application, either banking application, e-commerce application, whatever it may be, I will ask you one thing. Okay, this is a form. Okay, for example, in this form you are have a first name, you have a last name, okay, you have a phone number. Okay, this is your first name. Just imagine this is your first name. Okay, this is your first name. For example, inside your first name, if you entered string, like if you entered numbers like this and you click on submit button, it will accept or it will raise some error. It will
I
accept or it will raise some error.
raise an error, Venkat.
Why it will raise an error? Because it's an invalid information. Invalid information. It will show some information like please enter the number. Please enter the string or a characters or whatever it may be. Whatever it may be. Okay. So it will raise some error. Okay, like how to do all this information. Okay, by using validation rules. Okay, by using validation rules. And also I'll give you some complete idea. Okay, I'll give you some brief idea, and also okay, we will make you to involve for our recruitment application. How to create a validation rules for our recruitment application, I'll give you. Okay, so first of all, I'll complete some theoretical, practical, then also apart from that, like I also complete my project oriented training, like a one by one, module wise. Okay, one by one. Whenever if you completed validation rules, on that only we'll complete a project for our recruitment application. For each and every topic, I use it to touch for our project. Okay. Okay, so for our recruitment application, single people or multiple people will use. Single people or multiple people will use.
Multiple people will use it.
Whenever if a multiple people will use, we need to secure your data. Okay, we need to secure your data from one user to another user, or a one person to another person. How we need to handle this? Okay, there are 6 to 7 classes are there. In coming classes, I'll give you a brief agenda. Okay, and another thing, like and also how to make a security. How to make a security for our consultancy, for our recruitment application. I'll give you a brief idea. And another thing I want to convey. Okay, in COVID days, you observed or not some reports and dashboards, like how many people got positive, how many people got negative. You observed or not in COVID days? Some bar chart, different types of information. You observed anyone? How many people are got positive, how many people are got negative, everything.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, like the same thing, we can design different types of dashboards in Salesforce also. Okay, for example, you are dealing with banking project, either you are dealing with insurance project, either you are dealing with e-commerce project. For example, if the client asks you how much revenue has been got today, like we need to represent in like a bar charts, each and every information. Then another customer also will look at track and they will come to us. Okay, how to create some reports and dashboards. Okay, in coming classes, I'll give you a brief idea. Okay, and another thing, like you observed or not, whenever you you'll get some emails whenever you're registered from any company. Okay, whenever you registered from any company. Okay, whenever you register from any company, okay, you'll get some emails. You observed or not, you'll get some emails. You observed or not, you'll get some emails. Okay, like thank you for registering our bank account, thank you for registering everything. Like whenever you registered, you'll get some emails. You observed or not? Hello.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay, how we need to design that particular information. Okay, how we need to design. Okay, by using email templates. Okay, there is one concept. Okay, for example, if any recruitment people has been, for example, just imagine Lavanya has been registered for our recruitment consultancy. Okay, just imagine. Okay, how some email need to be sent to the Lavanya. Thank you for registering hiring manager information. Thank you for registering a candidate in our recruitment consultancy by using email templates in coming classes. Okay, let's design different types of email templates for our recruitment application. Okay, after completion of this. Okay, after completion of this. Okay, so we have a single amount of data or we have multiple amount of data? Once please tell me. Okay, we have a multiple people will register our account or a single people will register our account. Either banking application, e-commerce application, insurance application. Definitely multiple people. Okay, for example, if you are getting the data from outside of the systems, okay, external systems, how you need to load that particular data to the Salesforce. Okay, how you need to export the data from Salesforce to external system. Okay, by using data loader, data import wizard. Okay, there are different types of tools are available. I'll discuss each and every tools. And apart from this, I will also explain about how you need to load the data for our recruitment application. How you need to export the data from Salesforce to external system, from Salesforce to external system. Everything I'll give you in a clear picture on data management. Okay. After completion of this, I'll discuss about data automation. Okay, inside data automation. Okay. Apart from this, I also discuss about different types of practical scenarios. Okay, different types of practical scenarios. Okay, like a approval process. Okay, for our recruitment application. For example, if one person has been applied for leave, okay, how like a manager or is need to be accepted particularly, how you need to design entire system. Okay, in approval process, I'll give you huge idea. Okay, and also I'll discuss about a workflow, and also I'll discuss about a process builder, and also I'll discuss about a flows. Okay, in these flows, I'll discuss about a screen flow, record triggered flow, auto launched flow, schedule triggered flow, with different types of practical scenarios. Okay, with different types of project, with different types of practical scenarios. Okay, project oriented training. Okay, after completion of this, I'll start Salesforce development. Okay, it will be done using Apex programming. Okay, after completion of this, I'll design LWC component. Okay, front end UI. Okay, after completion of this, I'll design integration. This is an entire architecture in the coming classes. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? Like what we are going to cover? Everyone able to understand?
Venkat, so admin is going to take a lot of time as compared to development and the
No,
integration.
no.
One
Okay,
takes a lot of time.
no. Admin only will take less time as comparing to other things. Okay. Okay, admin maybe it may take 20 days. So coming to development, it may take 30 days or like that. Okay, so admin only will take less time as comparing to development. Okay, like not very less time, like equally. Okay, for example, admin will cover in 23 to 25 days. Coming to development, it will be covered in more than 30 days. Okay, 30 days. Okay, like because 50% configuration, 50% coding. Let's say 25 days, it should be 30 days. That's it. Because coming to development, you need to be able to understand everything. I need to give a high level explanation. Okay, because it's an entirely coding. Someone from non-IT background. That's why I'll take some time. Okay, you got the point?
Yes, Venkat. So people from non-IT background can also understand the development
Yes,
part, right? Or is it?
development. Because I use it to make you to think like that, okay? Everything. Because everything I use it to start from very, very basics, okay? Yes. From basic to step by step, I use to teach you to advanced level, okay? Anyone have any doubts? Yashashwini, Venkat, Kavya, Naveen, Vijay, Maheshwari.
So this Salesforce, which will be having any free version to practice?
Yes, there is a free version to practice. Okay, I'll tell you. Tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you an idea. Okay. So coming to tomorrow's class, I'll tell you first of all how to register for a Salesforce or everything. It's a free version only. No need to pay anyone. Okay. No need to pay single rupee. Okay. Everything is a free version. Okay. I'll tell you. Okay. I'll tell you. Tomorrow morning class I'll tell you. Okay. So kindly please attend at the same time tomorrow also. Anyone have any doubts? Anyone have any doubts? Once please unmute your mic if you have any doubts. So I'm happy to clarify your doubts. Yeah.
I have one more doubt.
Yes, Ashwini. Yes, Ashwini,
Yeah,
please.
Lavanya here.
Yes,
So,
Lavanya.
so there are actually AWS. There is cloud technologies are like DevOps and AWS, right? Okay, this is actually
Yes,
a
yes,
part.
yes, yes.
I have
Yes,
one doubt.
yeah.
So if we learn that AWS, but it is not that much worth. So we have to learn the Teradata and uh, DevOps
Yes.
also. Then only we can get it jobs. But in the Salesforce, do we learn? There are actually in this cloud, even Salesforce also we have cloud and admin and developer. So in this session, we get all this together, and is that enough that if we will get all these things?
Definitely 99% it's enough now. You can check from any of the portal. Okay, what are the admin we teach, what are the development, integration, and W6 enough now. You can go to the sales development. No other things are needed. Okay, and also we'll prepare for interview questions also. No other things are needed. It's enough now. Definitely. Yeah. I'll agree. You
Okay.
can you can search from any of the portal. It's enough. Admin, development, LWC, and integration. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Lavanya. It's a good question, Lavanya. Because nowadays, okay, again you need to learn some more. It's very difficult to learn. After taking this like a 2.5 months, 3 months, of course, again you need to learn some more. It's very difficult. Definitely, what are the things which we are teaching in the class? It's enough. Okay, 99% it's enough. Okay, 100% it's enough. Okay, because the same thing. Because I'm teaching a front end UI, I'm teaching the back end, and also I'm teaching everything. Okay, database, everything I'm covering. Okay, to develop an application, these are all the things are a common things. Everything will be covered. Okay, it's enough. Okay, yes, it's a good question, Lavanya. Thank you. Yes, Ashwini, I think you are asking some question.
Yeah, what's the whole course duration, please?
It may take 3 months. 3 months, Ashwini. 2.5 to 3 months.
Okay.
Yes,
With
Ashwini.
the real-time project?
Yes, with the real-time project. Yes, with the real-time project. Okay.
Okay. And in order to get a job, is certifications are necessary.
Salesforce certifications, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
I'm not thinking because nowadays, whenever if we attend to the interview, even I use it to check for the interviews. Okay, whenever I'm using to go to the panel, I use it to first of all check that particular person, like his status, how he is a workable. Okay, like how he is able to answer the questions. Okay, how he is able to. First of all, I'll test. Even there is a certification, maybe it will take 5% or something. Okay, if you are good in real time, whatever it may be, everything whatever I teach, 90% it's enough. Okay, like after going to your project or whatever it may be, the client will give you watches. Okay, then you need to do with that particular watches the certifications, whatever it may be. Essentially, you
Okay.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Venkat, one more doubt. Let's say with the experience, I mean with the training, for a fresher, how many years of experience can we put in our resume and start
Yes,
looking at a career
yes, yes,
switch?
yes. You can keep up to 3 to 4 years experience. More than that also you can keep, not an issue. Okay. Minimum 3 to 4 you can keep. Okay. From my training, whatever it may be, you can keep more than that also, not an issue. Okay. You need to practice the things. Whatever I teach in the class, you need to follow up. Okay, easily. That's it. You can go as like an experienced person also. It's not an issue, not a problem. Okay, because everything I used to cover. What are the scenarios which we got in the real time? The same scenarios I used to teach. Even an experienced person also cannot be involved in each and every concept. But as a training, we are used to going to be involved in every concept real time scenarios. So you can easily cope up with all the things. Okay, it's not an issue. You can keep experience. Okay, you understood RK? Like I don't know the name. What's your name?
My name is Romney.
Yes, Roman, it's enough. Okay, understood. You got your answer.
Yes, Venkat. And also, are you going to provide us with the interview questions related material?
Yes, I'll give you interview questions also. Yes, definitely I'll give you. After completion of the admin, I'll give you interview questions. After completion of the development, I'll give you the interview question. Everything I'll give you the interview questions. Okay. Mostly
Okay.
repeated interview questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Any other question from anyone? Manju, Hemant, Vijay Tiwari,
Um,
Maheshwari.
yes, Venkat. So
Yes,
I'm
Maheshwari.
currently working as a Pega developer. Do you think it is the right time to shift to the Salesforce and all? Because I'm
Yes.
still skeptical on like whether I need to shift to the Salesforce thing or not. Could you please
I
let me know what is?
I think you can switch. It's the right time I can convey because nowadays Salesforce market is very good. Okay, you can easily get into the job into Salesforce, whatever it may be. I think you are dealing with which application, insurance or e-commerce or banking, healthcare.
I'm working in insurance project
Yes,
under
yes, you can
Pega.
easily, yes, even I'm also an insurance project, insurance first. You can easily incorporate Maheshwar. It's not an issue. Yeah, you can easily
Uh,
come.
but uh, but Venkat, currently, right, I'm holding an experience of close to 3 years. So
No
even
issues.
if
No.
swap in Pega also, I'll be able to get better jobs and all. But I mean, why do I specifically have to shift to Salesforce?
Why do you specifically shift to Salesforce? Okay, first of all, I want to convey. Okay, coming to the Salesforce, there is a huge opportunities, and also you can get a freelancing opportunities also. Okay, apart from the freelancing opportunities, you also get presently in present market different types of jobs are also there with good packages. I want to convey. Okay, that's it. I'm conveying you to shift to like the Salesforce. Okay, after completion of the class, I'll speak with you once. Okay, yes. Okay, like
Yeah,
let
okay,
me speak
Venkat.
with Sarita. Okay, yes. Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
okay, Venkat.
Venkat,
Okay.
one more doubt.
Yes, yes, yes.
There are many other CRM tools, right? Now, what's the guarantee that, if we learn Salesforce, that would be good enough to get a good career switch?
And this is the right question. Definitely, I'll give you a right answer for you. Okay. Because if you compare with any other technology, any other CRMs, okay, present nowadays, in future also, in after 15, 20 years also, Salesforce is a good competitor, Salesforce, because everything is in like what are the configurations, what are the things which we are providing, everything in a flexible manner. Okay, as comparing to other CRMs. Okay, like for front end LWC, because for back end FX programming, it's like completely like a programming language only, but it is like a CRM concept. Okay, like another thing is like coming to Salesforce, like you can observe, Like even startup to product-based company to MNC company. Every company is preferring Salesforce. Why they are preferring Salesforce? Because like it is easy to provide good configurations and also good mechanisms and also good support from the team, and it is easy to provide good marketing support, good sales support, and good service support. Okay, apart from the other CRMs, I did not find this. That's why Salesforce is a good competitor. Like a mostly highest market share has been occupied by Salesforce. It's a good question, but I will definitely say as comparing to other CRMs, 99%. Like you can search from any of the Google, any of the things. Like Salesforce is a good, definitely you'll get a job in Salesforce as comparing to other competitors in CRMs. Okay, it's a good question. Thank you. Hello, RK, someone has been.
Yes,
Now
yes,
you resolve
Venkat.
your question. Definitely, because in future you'll get to know. Because everything flexibilities you cannot able to find in other, and everything is very easy as comparing to other CRMs. It's very, and also everything will be done in a faster deployment. Okay, as comparing to other CRMs, there are some greater advantages. In coming classes, you use it to know. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, sure. And also, Venkat, are you gonna cover the lightning component? I mean, the new UI which
Yes,
Salesforce.
yes, Lightning web component. That is the thing, Lightning. Like I'll cover in coming classes. I'll cover. Okay, it's a front end here. That is the thing I'll cover. Okay, because it's very
You're not
important.
gonna
Very
teach
important.
in classic mode, or are you gonna teach classic mode, or is it going to be in the LWC
Lightning.
mode?
We use it to teach in Lightning. Okay, we use it to teach in Lightning. Classic is an older approach. Okay, nowadays,
Okay,
in every company is not using Classic. Every company is using Lightning only. I use it to teach Lightning. Okay, I use it to help you for Classic also, but every company is using Lightning only. Every company. Okay, if I teach you Classic means it's very difficult for you to survive. Okay, whenever you shift to any project. That's why I use it to teach Lightning, but I'll touch Classic also. But I use it to mostly everything involved in Lightning only. But I'll touch Classic also some things. Okay, because you need to understand both. Okay,
it is not mandatory to learn classic, right? For us to learn lightning.
because in
We
real time also you'll not deal with Classic. Yeah, you'll deal with Lightning only. Yeah, from past to 2014 also I'm dealing with Lightning only. Yeah, previously
okay.
there is Classic. Yeah, yeah, because I deal with multiple projects. Yeah, everything in Lightning only. And another thing is if you got Lightning, you can easily cop up with Classic. Easily done the things. Okay. And give idea for Classic also, no issues. That's normal I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, team. This is about today's class. Thank you, thank you. Kindly please join
Uh,
with the same timings
and
tomorrow.
for a tomorrow session, same link or we will get another link?
Same link, same link. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Same link for tomorrow plus same timings. Okay. Thank you everyone.